Hello, Crypto Nation. Today we're going to learn how to import a seed phrase, which is also called a secret recovery phrase, from Metamask and Phantom Wallet into the Exodus Web3 Wallet for Chrome and Brave. But first, a word of advice. We would recommend that you avoid the reuse of seed phrases between wallets and start a brand new wallet. You can send your crypto and NFTs from Phantom or Metamask to Exodus and secure your new Exodus secret recovery phrase. And we know that this can be annoying if you have a lot of different tokens and NFTs, but it's a safer option. Okay, let's get started. If you don't already have Exodus installed in your web browser, visit exodus.com/web3-wallet or click the link in the upper right-hand corner. Now, when you first install Exodus, you'll see the welcome screen asking if you'd like to create a new wallet. If you want to import an existing phrase, click I have a wallet. Now open Exodus and click I have a wallet. Enter the seed phrase from either Metamask or Phantom Wallet in order from 1 to 12 in all lowercase letters and spelled correctly. And click Restore. You'll be prompted to enter a unique password. You'll use this password to unlock your wallet on your computer. And if you forget it, you'll need your seed phrase to re-access your wallet. So memorize it or use a password manager. Enter the password and click Next. Enter the password again and click Restore. Check that you agree to the terms of use. If the restore was successful, you'll see your tokens and NFTs appear. You now have the entire Web3 world of both Solana and Ethereum in one wallet. Now, if you have any questions, Exodus is here to help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And just send us an email at support@exodus.com. And give this video a like and click any of these videos to watch more on crypto and Web3. Thanks for watching.